So welcome back to my channel, and you are watching English Flight, and I am Partujit Bora. So today I am going to start the second part of very historical chapter of your course Flamingo Indigo, and authored by and British writer Louis Fisher. So let me start the second part of your very historical and very revolutionary chapter Indigo. So Indigo আমি second part আমি আজি start কৰিম. So মই এখিনতে কওঁ, those who are newer to my channel, so subscribe my channel for getting more updates related to your course, okay, and share it among your friends. Lockdown of সকলোৱে তোমালোকৰ course related everything you will get here, okay. So মই start কৰিছো. So in the last class we have discussed how a poor peasant, how a poor yeoman Rajkumar Shukla finally met Mahatma Gandhi, in Kolkata, and finally he made Gandhi to bring with him to his district Champaran about the happening of injustice, about the atrocities of the British landlords, okay, against the poor peasant, poor sharecroppers of Champaran district. So I mean, last class of পাইছিলো মহাত্মা গান্ধী কেনেকৈ ৰাজকুমাৰ শুক্লাই লৈ গ'লহি, আৰু তাৰ পিছৰ পৰা আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিম যে ফাইনেলি ৰাজকুমাৰ শুক্লাই ৰাজকুমাৰ শুক্লা যদিও ইলিটাৰেট আছিলে, হি ৱাজ ভেৰি ৰিজনেবল, দ্যাট মিনছ ভেৰি ডিটাৰমাইণ্ড, যিটো কাম কৰিবলৈ হ'লে কৰিব। আৰু যেতিয়া কংগ্ৰেছ এজনক গান্ধীক লগ পাই পেলাই গান্ধীক কৈছিলে যে আমাৰ চম্পৰামত এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ইনজাষ্টিছ হৈ আছে, আমাৰ শ্বেয়াৰ ক্ৰপাৰ্ছবিলাকৰ ওপৰত ইণ্ডিগো খেতিৰ নাম লৈ পেলাই কিদৰে ব্ৰিটিছ লেণ্ডলৰ্ডবিলাকে, ব্ৰিটিছ মাটিৰ মালিকবিলাকে হয়নে, যে আমাৰ যিবিলাক টিনেণ্টছ হয়, শ্বেয়াৰ ক্ৰপাৰ্ছ হয়, তেওঁলোকক যথেষ্ট ধৰণৰ হাৰাশাস্তি কৰি আছিলে। তাৰপিছত আফটাৰ ডেট মহাত্মা গান্ধী অলছ' গেভ কনচেণ্ট ডেট য়েছ you will get me, I will be available in a Kolkata, okay, from Kolkata, and we will both board for Champaran. আৰু আমি তাৰপিছত আমি দুয়ো একেলগে Champaran গুচি যাম। তাৰপিছত দুইজনে কি কৰিলে, both they boarded a train for the city of Patna, Bihar. আৰু যেহেতু Champaran Bihar আছিলে, so finally and both decided and both took ticket of going Patna, okay, and then there Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad. So then they started to stay at the house of very important personality, and who later became the president of our independent India, Rajendra Prasad. So Rajendra Prasad ঘৰতে আছিলে, আৰু তেওঁ তেতিয়া এজন lawyer আছিলে, that means advocate আছিলে, and he was also the president of Congress Party and of India. আমি কৈছোঁ আৰু কংগ্ৰেছৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট আছিলে, ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ প্ৰথম প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট আছিলে, আৰু সেই ৰাজেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদৰ ঘৰলৈ শুক্লাই মহাত্মা গান্ধীক লৈ গৈছিল। Rajendra Prasad was out of town, and but the servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. এইখিনিতে the servants of Rajendra Prasad belonged to a very rich family. Rajendra Prasad বিহাৰৰ এটা অভিজাত পৰিয়ালৰ মানুহ আছিলে, আৰু তেওঁ এজন লয়াৰ আছিলে, এডভোকেট আছিলে, তেওঁৰ লগত মানুহ অহা যোৱা কৰি থাকিছিলে। কোনবিলাক আহিছিলে? poor peasants and farmer, okay, because of they wanted justice from the lawyer Rajendra Prasad. So finally যেতিয়া Shukla and Gandhi when finally reached at Rajendra Prasad house, then what happened? The servants of Rajendra Prasad thought that Shukla and Gandhi both are the poor peasants, and they believe that Gandhi was a poor peasant, okay, and Shukla কি বুলি ভাবিছিলে ৰাজেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদৰ সাৰ্ভেন্ট বিলাকে, যে সদায় শুক্লাই তেওঁলোকক মাষ্টাৰ, ইয়াতে এই ৱৰ্ডটো কোৱা হৈছে যে পেষ্টাৰ, কি কৈছে, Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. আৰু শুক্লাক সদায় তেওঁলোকৰ সাৰ্ভেন্ট বিলাকে ভাবিছিলে ৰাজেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদে যে আমাৰ মাষ্টাৰ, আমাৰ মালিকক সদায় পেষ্টাৰ কৰি ট্ৰাবল, শুক্লাই সদায় ট্ৰাবল দিয়ে। কিয় ট্ৰাবল দিয়ে? কোনবিলাকৰ কাৰণে? যে হেল্প কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, শ্বেয়াৰ ক্ৰপাৰ্ছবিলাকক হেল্প কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সদায় শুক্লাক আহি থকা দেখা পাই থাকে সাৰ্ভেন্টজনে। সেইটোৱে মিনিং বুজাইছে সাৰ্ভেন্টখিনি। আৰু শুক্লা একজন পোৰ ইয়ামেন বুলি যায়। ইয়ামেন বুলি মই কৈছোঁ, ইয়ামেন মিনছ হৈছে এটা ফ্ৰী লেণ্ড হোল্ডাৰ, যাৰ নিজা মাটি থাকে আৰু খেতি বাতি কৰে, কৃষক পিজেণ্ট হয়। চ' Shukla is a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds with his companion. Gandhi, interestingly, whom they took to be another peasant. Gandhi ko Shukla logot aha dekha pai. The servants believe Gandhi too as a poor peasant, as a poor yeoman, and as like Shukla, Gandhi was also allowed to sit on the ground. Ground on bohibole disile. Gandhi ko Mahatma Gandhi ko khanajan kishok boli bhabisile aru duijon ground on bohi asile. Interesting kotha. But Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? Even Gandhi was not permitted to allow to draw water from the well. Aru Mahatma Gandhi kiyator Shukla ghor jete asile ajani pachata ghor thakote Mahatma Gandhi ki korisile je wellor pora kuar pora pani anibo dia nasile because they believe that lest some drops of water may pollute the entire source of water. Aru Gandhi jodi okoman pani ane je guti pani kini nosto hobo because of they have a very discriminating thinking. So what type of discriminating thinking? So they believe that Gandhi and Shukla belong to an inferior caste, belong to a low caste. So if they touch water, if they fetch water from the well, it may pollute the entire water of the well. So well to সকলো পানী মানে দূষিত হ'ব বুলি ভাবিছিলে because of যে হিমতে ইয়াতে প্ৰশ্ন কৰা হৈছিলে because how did they know that he was not an untouchable? হিমত মানে তেওঁলোকে অৰ্থাৎ servants of Rajendra Prasad, how did they know? তেওঁলোকে কেনেকৈ গম পাইছিলে যে Gandhi was not an untouchable? অৰ্থাৎ গান্ধী যে অস্পৃশ্য নহয় বুলি কেনেকৈ জানিছিল? তাৰ মানে তেওঁলোকে গান্ধীকো অস্পৃশ্য বুলি ভাবিছিলে অৰ্থাৎ untouchable caste বুলি ভাবিছিলে. That is the meaning. যে একো শুভ কৰিব নালাগে, inferior caste, untouchable আমি সকলোৱে জানো. So আমাৰ ancient India সেই সময়ত যেতিয়া গান্ধী আছিল বা at the time of British rule সেই সময়ত ভাৰতবৰ্ষত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ আমাৰ untouchability কথাটো বেছিকৈ আছিলে. সেইটো যিটো উচ্চ নিচ হাই কাষ্ট এণ্ড ল' কাষ্ট গতিকে উচ্চবিলাকে ল' কাষ্টৰ মানুহবিলাকক কি বুলি ভাবিছিলে আনটাচেবিলিটি বুলি ভাবিছিলে দলিত কাষ্ট মানুহ সকলোৱে জানা সেই সময়ত বেছি আছিলে ডিউৰিং দ্য টাইম অফ ব্ৰিটিছ ৰুল গতিকে আমি নেক্সট পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ গান্ধী ডিচাইডেড টু গো ফাৰ্ষ্ট ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন আমি নেক্সট পেৰাগ্ৰাফ মই কৈছোঁ those who are newer I think those who comes to first my class so I am recommending you to take your book Flamingo and the chapter of Indigo and see line by line as I am explaining because of it will helpful to you because of you will get exact details when I give you the full explanation or detailed explanation. So Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur which was en road to Champaran to obtain more complete information about condition than Shukla was capable of imparting. Ek India an interesting question I had to malukor very important question why did Shukla went to Muzaffarpur first? So Muzaffarpur kyo jabo bicharichile Shukla because of collecting in order to collect more detail about Champaran than Shukla. Then Shukla. Shukla jiman information Gandhi koise about the injustice happened in Champaran. So tatke basic information janibor karone Gandhi Muzaffarpur jabo bicharichile. Very important question. Aru Muzaffarpur kod asile Muzaffarpur which was en road to Champaran. Champaranor kakhote eke datikroke answer Champaranor kakhote lagi asile Muzaffarpur. Aru Gandhi Muzaffarpur jabo bicharichile kyo jabo bicharichile to collect more information about Champaran about the injustice about the prevailing of injustice in Champaran rather than Shukla ke basically janibo kana he accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kripalani ekiti aru the interesting question ahibo pare very important question so why did Gandhi and whom had Gandhi sent that telegram so Gandhi kak telegram mere question ase whom Gandhi had met whom yate baro ase whom Gandhi had met Tagore Santiniketan School. All of the Telegram as a point. The Gandhi kyo ekhon telegram pothaisile kale telegram pothaisile J.B. Kripalani. Aru J.B. Kripalani kod log paisile Gandhi met J.B. Kripalani in Santiniketan in Tagore Santiniketan hane se Tagore je Santiniketan asile he Santiniketanok mane Kripalani log paisile and who was J.B. Kripalani? J.B. Kripalani hoise এজন professor of Arts College. Arts College এগৰাকী অধ্যাপক আছিল। He was a professor আৰু এখিনিতে মই আৰু এটা ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং মিনিং কৈ দিওঁ বহুত কলেজতে নকয় জেবি কৃপালানি বুলি কয় থয় but it's a complete name of জেবি কৃপালানি so জেবি কৃপালানি complete নাম হৈছে জগতাত্মাৰাম ভগৱান দাস কৃপালানি so জগতাত্মাৰাম ভগৱান দাস কৃপালানি তেওঁ complete জেবি কৃপালানি বুলি কয় তেওঁ অধ্যাপক আছিল very important personality of Indian freedom movement ভাৰতীয় স্বাধীনতা সংগ্ৰামৰ an important personality because he accompanied Gandhi. You know, he was a crucial figure of Indian freedom movement. So interesting. Then Gandhi wrote a telegram to Kripalani, sent a telegram to Kripalani, who was working in Arts College of Muzaffarpur, whom Gandhi had met in Tagore Santiniketan. Very important. The train arrived at midnight, 15 April 1917. আমি গম পালো এটা 1917 গুটে ঘটনা হৈছিল আৰু 15 এপ্ৰিলত ট্ৰেইন আহিছিল মাছনিখা at midnight or at dead of night. Kripalani was waiting at the station. Our Kripalani was waiting at the station to welcome Gandhi, to take Gandhi, to welcome Gandhi to his place Muzaffarpur. And with a large body of as he was a professor, so surely he had a good touch with the students. So therefore, along with Kripalani, a large body of students also accompanied him to greet Gandhi, to welcome Gandhi, because at the time Gandhi was widely known during that time. Gandhi each and every corner of India, everybody knows Gandhi. Everybody knows Gandhi's freedom spirit because of what he done in South Africa. Everybody knows it. And Mahatma Gandhi Mahatma Gandhi ji freedom movement or struggle to he not only developed in India because of he grew this fighting spirit in South Africa. He also fought against the racial discrimination prevailed in South Africa. South Africa ji borno bokoimo protha choli asile tar against Mahatma Gandhi juli ahisile Leo Tolstoy non-violence apply kori ahisile gotike Gandhi uporot every Indians had a deep faith in Gandhi. So Gandhi was very popular at the time. So a large body of students also accompanied with Kripalani to welcome Gandhi to their place Muzaffarpur. Interesting. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of professor. Aru ekinde eta duta separate question ahe. Gandhi sent a telegram to Kripalani, okay, who worked in the Arts College of Muzaffarpur. Interesting question. And who was Kripalani? Jivatmaram Bhagavan Das Kripalani. Okay, he was a professor in Arts College of Muzaffarpur, but he stayed in a different home. So whose home? That was the home of Professor Malkani. Then he was a teacher of government school. He was also called professor at the time. So Kripalani ghorot asile, Malkani ghorot asile. Kripalani le telegram korisile. Kripalani trainot station ahi roi asile with a large body of students, but he stayed at Malkani's home. Very important. A high question. Where did Gandhi stay in Muzaffarpur? Gandhi stayed at Malkani's home, but 2 days he stayed there. But he was being greeted, he was being welcomed from the station. Who came at the station to greet Gandhi? Kripalani. And who was Kripalani? Kripalani was the professor of Government Arts College Muzaffarpur, and he was a teacher of government school Malkani. Malkani ghorate asile etu jate khilimni nohoy. It was an extraordinary thing in those days. Gandhi recommended for a government professor to harbor a man like me in smaller localities. The Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of Mongol. So Gandhi, in his own words, Gandhi at the time recommended, Gandhi strongly demanded that it was an extraordinary activity. It was an extraordinary thing happened with me. So what was the extraordinary thing? The extraordinary thing was that Malkani, being a government professor, being a government teacher, during that time, he gave shelter Gandhi to stay for 2 days. As on government Britishor under Sakuri Kora, as on professor, as on teacher, Hikoke, he homoid Mahatma Gandhi, Dudin Thagwe, 2 days shelter there to. It's not an ordinary, it's an extraordinary. It was extraordinary asile aru Britishor tolot thakiu teo Gandhi to ejon hongramik, ejon fighter, freedom fighter shelter disile. So Gandhi koi goisile it was an extraordinary because of that being a government professor, being a government teacher of government school under British rule, harbored me, that means sheltered me, muk thakibole disile. That was a very crucial question of this chapter. Okay, aru সেই সময়ত কৈছিলে in smaller localities the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule. Okay, kinite any basement or home rule to develop হৈছিলে aru সেই সময়তে ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ যথেষ্ট সংখ্যক মানুহে smaller localities অকমান not যথেষ্ট সংখ্যক নহয় অলপ সংখ্যক মানুহে কি কৰিছিলে they show Indians were afraid to show sympathy আৰু কিছু সংখ্যক মানুহে ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ কিছু সংখ্যক মানুহে কি কৰিছিলে sympathy অৰ্থাৎ দয়া বা support কৰা নাছিলে কাক এনি বেসেন্টৰ যেটো হোম ৰুল লে এটো ইয়াতে ৰেফাৰেন্স আহে যে আমি গুটিখিনি ইয়াতে কোৱাটো সম্ভৱ নহয় মই পিছত সময় পালে কম ইয়াতে এটা চ্যাপ্টাৰ আছে এটা ইনফৰমেশন যে এনি বেসেন্টৰ যে হোম ৰুল লে গঠন হৈছিল এই হোম ৰুল লেটো সাপোৰ্ট কৰা নাছিলে বহুত সংখ্যক এটো আমি বুজি থলা ভাল হ'ব The news of Gandhi's advent and of the nature of his mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champram. Aru Mahatma Gandhi, at the advent of Gandhi, the arrival of Gandhi, at the coming of Gandhi, you know, and the nature of his mission, Gandhi Champram ole kyo ahise? What is the objective of his arrival at Muzaffarpur to Champram? Muzaffarpur aru Champram, jehetu Muzaffarpur aru Champram ekebare datika khori onchol, very very neighboring region, neighboring area hoy. So etu sayufale prasar hoy gol, everybody knows it. Why Gandhi came to Muzaffarpur? It spreaded Muzaffarpur to Champram, and he's also the nature of his mission. Teo Gandhi ji lakho hokole gom pai gosile, mission to gom pai gosile. Sharecroppers from Champram began arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their champion. Aru swa moi ekinte koisu so the torture, the atrocities the poor peasants suffered, they finally need redemption. Moi ekane koisu chapter to eta redemption mukti যদি ঐতিহাসিক পটভূমিত এটা সঁচা ঘটনাৰ আধাৰত সেই হিবিলাক পোৰ পিজন ইনোসেন্ট পিজন্স বিলাকে এট লিস্ট এজন লিডাৰ তেওঁলোকক বিচাৰি পাইছে কাক পাইছে মহাত্মা গান্ধী they finally started to see Gandhi from Champram on foot. Interesting. খুশকাহি হলেও চম্পৰমৰ পৰা মুজাফৰপুৰলৈ পালেহি হাজাৰ হাজাৰ কৃষক কাক চাবলে to see their leader. They brought a ray of hope. চকুত এটা আশা লৈ আহিছিলে, চকুত এটা সপোন লৈ আহিছিলে যে তেওঁলোকৰ জীৱনত তেওঁলোকৰ এই ব্ৰিটিছৰ ৰুলৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকৰ ওপৰত যি উপদ্ৰৱ চলি অত্যাচাৰ চলি আছে কোনোবাইতো মুক্তি দিব, সেই মুক্তি দিয়া মানুহজন কোন? That is মহাত্মা গান্ধী. Very interesting. আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ হিৰো চেম্পিয়ন লিডাৰজনক চাবলৈ বাটকুৰি বাই মুজাফৰপুৰ চম্পৰামৰ পৰা মুজাফৰলৈ খোজকাঢ়ি মহাত্মা গান্ধীক দেখা পাবলৈ আহিছিলে। কিয়? যে তেওঁলোকে এটা সপোন দেখিছে যে গান্ধী আহিছে, সেই সময়ত গান্ধী কিমান পপুলাৰ মই কৈ দিছো। So how was he popular at that time? He was widely popular. He was known each and every people of India because of his past history, how he worked in South Africa, how he supported in South Africa. So finally কৃষকসকলে এটা আশা দেখা পাইছে their champion. Muzaffarpur lawyers called on Gandhi to brief him. They frequently represented peasant groups in court. They told him about their cases and reported the size of their fears. Muzaffarpur lawyers finally they gathered and they called Gandhi and they tried to brief Gandhi. Finally they came at Muzaffarpur and all the lawyers of Muzaffarpur came to meet Gandhi to brief him. That means Gandhi log paisile সকলোৱে লগ পাই পেলাই গান্ধীক সমুখে গুটি কেছটো কথা বিৱৰণ দিছিলে। They frequently represented peasant groups in court. সিহঁতে কৈছিলে যে আমি সদায় peasants বিলাকক the poor peasants আমি represent কৰো, প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰো, কোৰ্টত আমি তেওঁলোকৰ হৈ উকালতি কৰো কাৰ against the British government. What is happening actually? কাৰণ এইটো কেছটো হৈছে কি ব্ৰিটিছৰ against কাৰণ ব্ৰিটিছৰ অন্যায় কৰি আছে এই চম্পৰামৰ কৃষকসকলৰ ওপৰত। So that's why the pleaders, the advocates demanded Gandhi that we are all the time representing the poor peasants in the court in favor of their justice and against the British rule. That is the they told him about their cases and reported the size of their fees. And they also told Gandhi that we took big fees from them. Aru ami hihotor pora eta fees lobologia hoy because of the case, because of the execution of the courtot kibla karjo kam koribologia hoy only because of that they have to the peasants have to pay the lawyers lawyers bilako clear korbe lage hoisile. Next paragraph, Gandhi cited the lawyers for collecting. Gandhi gute kotha kini sunisile, and after listening everything, after listening every details, Gandhi cited the lawyers. Very important question. Why Gandhi cited the lawyers? Because of Gandhi knew that the lawyers took fees from the poor peasants as they are already being exploited. They had nothing except the meal, except the crops. Jar hatot crops bade eku na thake, so he hihotor ki koise hihotok mane Mahatma Gandhi gali parisile je lawyers loge ei poor peasants bilakok sharecroppers bilakor pora tumaloke ako fees loisa in the name of case, in the name of court case. He said, I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts. Taking such cases to the courts does little good. How Gandhi koisile je moi eti ahisu, I have come to the conclusion, moi eti shek koribo bisarisu that we should stop going to law courts. Ami law courts jatu bond koribo lagibo, because of that taking such cases to the court does little good. Aru court ole goi thaki bor bishesh safalata pabo nwari, you know. So little good buli koise tar mane aru beshi safalata bhal nohoy courtot goi thaki kam nohobo, court loge goi thaka hobo. Where the peasants were so crushed and fear stricken, jot kishokokol crushed and fear stricken orthat bole bhoy khai thake সেই মানুহ বিলাকে অর্থাৎ law courts are useless for them. So enekwa mane maximum peasants are illiterate, they are fear stricken, bhoy kori thaka মানুহ বিলাক jiblak সেই মানুহ বিলাকে কি কৰিব পায়, সেই মানুহ বিলাকৰ কাৰণে laws and courts are useless. সিহঁতৰ কাৰণে law আৰু court কোনো মূল্য নাথাকে, সেইবিলাক মানুহক কোৰ্টে কেতিয়াও ৰায় দিব নোৱাৰে, কোৰ্টে কেতিয়াও জাস্টিস দিব নোৱাৰে, as courts are everything, you know, government official, everything are being dominated by British government. So they are they listen the instruction of British government. The real relief from them is to be free from fear. Our real relief, question hai, what is the real relief according to Gandhi? So according to Gandhi, the real relief for the peasants is to free from fear. Je bhoyor pora jetia teoloke mukti pabo, tetia he teoloke asol khantona pabo. So that's all for today's class, today's video, and maximum part remain left. So I mean, in the next time we will surely discuss with the important question answers. And now let's come to the board where I'm writing important questions and important terms of the chapter. So why did Gandhi decide to go first to Muzaffarpur? So I have already given a very interesting details and answer that why did Gandhi decide to go first Muzaffarpur? To collect information. Okay, to collect information about Champaran, about the injustice of Champaran by the British landlords, rather than Shukla ke basically janibor karone. Whom Gandhi had met Tagore Santiniketan. Very interesting. J.B. Kripalani. Who was J.B. Kripalani? J.B. Kripalani was the professor of Arts College in Muzaffarpur. Okay, Jivatmaram Bhagavan Das Kripalani, complete name. How was Gandhi greeted at the station? Gandhi was greeted by Professor J.B. Kripalani. Okay, and how? With a large body of students. And where did Gandhi stay? It was a big question. Gandhi stayed differently. Gandhi stayed in different home with a different personality. And who was he? He was Professor Malkani. He was a teacher of a government school. Okay, Professor Malkani. When did Gandhi reach Muzaffarpur? On 15 April 1970 at midnight. So that's all for today's video. And for the new learners, new students, subscribe my channel, share it among your friends. And interesting announcement, I will come every Wednesday 7 p.m. in the evening on live class, and every Sunday at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.